What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So in this video I kind of just wanted to give an update on my store since I have added some new products. I've even changed the name of the store and just overall give some more details about the store and maybe introduce the store to some of you who may have had no idea that I had my own store since you guys have just started following the channel. So yeah, for those of you who may be new here and just started following the channel, I have my own little online store where I sell a bunch of accessories like carbon fiber accessories and other modifications for BMW E90 3 Series, E92, and also the F30 3 Series. Since there are many BMW models and trims and years and all that, some of these products can fit multiple years, multiple trims, and stuff like that. I have all that detailed in the description of each product on my website, so if you guys want to know if this will fit your specific BMW, I have all that detailed in the description on the website. But yeah, I launched my own little online store back in December, so it's been about 3 months now since I officially launched it. And I have about 27 products. I started with about 14, 15. But I'm trying my best here to add more products and more diversity in the products that fit more model BMWs, since I'm still mainly only selling products for the E90 3 Series, since that's what I have and I can, test products on to make sure it fits well and looks good. And then also the F30 3 Series, since I have one of those also. Those are the main BMWs I am selling parts for, but some of these parts can fit other BMWs since they share similar parts across a bunch of different BMW models and trims and years and all that. So yeah, if you are looking for, parts modifications for your BMW 3 Series, I have my own website. I'll leave a link down in the description of this video if you guys want to check it out by the end of this video. However, I do have an Instagram where I provide updates on the store in terms of, when new products are available and when products are back in stock that were sold out. So I am way more active there. And if you guys are interested, you can follow that Instagram, and I will link it down in the description of this video if you guys want to check that out also. But anyway, let's get into the meat of this video here. So as I mentioned, I changed the name of my store that I initially had it as when I first launched. I initially called it hollandb.com, which was based off my last name, Holland Beck. And as you guys may have noticed, my channel name is Holland BMW. It's based off my last name also. But I wanted something more, official, more unique, something more catchy. So I have changed the name of my store to Inline 6 Auto. I feel this is a pretty cool, unique, catchy name that doesn't sound like every other store out there that also sells similar products. It's something a little different, and I feel like this goes pretty well. So yeah, that is what I've changed my store name to, Inline 6 Auto. Some of you may have noticed who've been following. So yeah, you can check out my website at inline6auto.com, and also my Instagram is at inline6auto, so you can check that out also. However, like I said, I'll leave a link to both of those in the description of this video. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some products that I have not necessarily featured here on the channel. Some of them I have, but I just wanted to show you guys, give you guys an update. Some of you guys may be interested in these, so let's get into it here. So the first product I have that I literally just added to the website just now, that I just made available. As you guys can see, they are carbon fiber grills for the E90 3 Series LCI and pre-LCI. The top one up here is for LCI, and then the bottom is for pre-LCI, obviously. And you can tell the difference because on pre-LCI they have this little piece up top that secures itself into the hood. And then LCI, it doesn't have that. It has this new design that just secures itself into the bumper. But yeah, initially I just offered these M-style grills in gloss black for the LCI, so I've had that. But I wanted to add some carbon fiber since carbon fiber is a popular option and most of us love putting carbon fiber on our cars, so that is why I wanted to add these to the site. In addition, I wanted to add some grills for pre-LCI since I didn't really have any for pre-LCI, since like I said, I've been only testing products on my LCI and that's the only BMW I can test on, so it's kind of hard to test products on BMWs I don't have, but I have ensured that these are high quality, good fitted products that fit very well in the bumper. Sometimes when you buy products online, like on Amazon, the fitment is just really horrible. I've had that happen to me plenty of times. But with my products, I've ensured that they are nice and secure, and the fitment is up to my standards. I would not want to sell anything that's, gonna fall off the car. That's actually happened to me with a pair of grills I bought on Amazon. It was like my very first pair of gloss black grills I got for my E90, and one of them ended up, flying off while I was driving on the highway. But I've been driving with these exact grills on my E90, and they are perfectly secure. Nothing has happened. So these are an awesome addition to your car, to your BMW, with a real carbon fiber finish. It's made of real carbon fiber here, along with ABS plastic, and then the gloss black M-style slats there in the middle. So yeah, these are now available on the site. Feel free to check these out at the end of the video if you are interested. So the next product I have here is another carbon fiber piece for the interior of your E90 BMW 3 Series. This is one of the products that will fit across all E90X 3 Series, so E90, E91, E92, and E93, as long as it's a 3 Series from 2006 to 2013. This piece goes around the center console where your AC and radio button functions are. Now there are 4 different setups depending on what options your specific BMW has. So I have one here. This one is if you don't have an iDrive screen, if it's just the radio and the AC. And if you don't have any sort of heated seats, parking distance sensor buttons or anything, that's for this one. This one is if you don't have an iDrive, but you do have the heated seats, parking distance sensor button functions down here. This one is if you do have the iDrive screen, but no button functions on the bottom, no PDC or heated seats button functions here. And then this one is if you have both the iDrive screen and the parking distance sensor and heated seats button functions on the bottom there. So it's just a simple, carbon fiber stick-on overlay piece, just to add, some carbon fiber to the interior if that's what you like. This is one of the cheaper products I have on the site since it's just a simple stick-on. It does have real carbon fiber. It's not, like fake-looking carbon fiber. It does have that nice reflection. Can't really see it since it's in the packaging, but it is real carbon fiber. And it's a really easy little modification you can do to the interior of your BMW. And I actually have this in my own E90 3 Series, if you guys may have seen. I think I've shown it on the channel, maybe in a couple videos, but I do have this exact one. I have this one since I have an iDrive screen and the heated seats parking distance button function on the bottom there. So I do have this on my own. I think it looks pretty cool and looks really good on the interior. So if you do decide to order one of these, just make sure you select the correct option based off, if you have the iDrive screen or the heated seats or parking distance button controls function. So check yours in your BMW to make sure, and then select the correct one so that you receive the correct one that fits your center console setup. So yeah, if you are interested in these are now available on the site. So to kind of go together with the last product, I have this other interior carbon fiber sticker overlay piece that goes on top of the gear shift panel where your gear shift knob is. Again, just a very simple, easy little modification you can do to the interior. It has real carbon fibers, you can see, and this is one of the cheapest products I have on the site. But it's pretty much exactly like the previous product I just showed you guys with the center console overlay sticker. So it kind of goes together with that. So I don't think maybe I have. I think I showed this in maybe a couple videos also, like in my earlier videos. But I do have this on my 3 Series also. I think it looks pretty cool. And personally, my stock gear shift panel underneath was kind of peeling. I think that's a common thing on BMW 3 Series from the E90 generation. So this was a good way to kind of cover it up, make it look better. So that is one reason you may be interested in this, and it is currently available on the website. So feel free to check this one out. So this next product is a forged carbon e-brake handle, and as you guys know, if you guys have been following, I have a regular carbon fiber e-brake handle that I initially offered with the launch of the store, but I added these about a month later because some people were interested in forged carbon. So I have these available currently on the site, and it is real forged carbon instead of just regular carbon fiber. I personally think it looks a little better than regular carbon fiber, so this is available for those of you who like forged carbon over regular carbon fiber. Now this fits exactly like the regular carbon fiber e-brake handle, and I did a video on how to install it. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave a link in the description. So yeah, this is now available on the website. Feel free to check it out. So this is a pretty recent product I just added, and I did a video on it. It is a carbon fiber gear shift knob replacement for the F series F chassis BMW. So this fits my BMW F33 series. It can also fit the F32 4 series or F22 2 series. Any F series BMW with the specific gear shift knob that I had on my BMW 3 series. I'll probably show up a clip so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but if you have that specific gear shift knob, this piece will fit, and it is a pretty easy install. And you can see it's made out of real carbon fiber, and it directly replaces the silver piece that's on the gear shift knob, so it's not like a stick-on, which kind of look not that good in my opinion. So that's why I went with this direct replacement, since it looks more, you know, like it's from factory OEM fitment. So yeah, this product is now currently available on the website. Feel free to check it out. And also, like I said, I did a video on this recently. If you guys saw that video on how to install it, I'll link that one down below if you guys want to check it out. So those are some of the new products that I added that I have with me that I can show you guys right now, but there are some other products that I have added that are available, but I don't have them with me right now for me to show you guys. But if you guys watched one of my recent videos, I installed a forged carbon performance diffuser on my BMW F30 M Sport. I now have that piece available on the store for purchase in forged carbon and regular carbon fiber for the dual exit exhaust that comes on the 335i. And I also have regular carbon fiber only for the single exit for 328i models with the M Sport rear bumper with the single exhaust exit on the left side, the driver's side. I also have that one available, so feel free to check those out on the website. They are in the F30 3 Series section. In addition, I also have a complete carbon fiber interior trim set for all of your dash pieces in your F30 3 Series or F32 4 Series. This carbon fiber interior trim piece will fit those two models. And they are basically overlays that you stick on top of the stock factory dash trim pieces. They're very thin, so they don't stick up, you know, that high, but they look really good, and they are perfect if you are looking to add real carbon fiber to the interior of your 3 Series or 4 Series, like how they come in the M3 and M4 from factory. They have the interior carbon fiber trim. So it looks just like that. I now have that available on the website also. And in addition to those products, some products that I also have available on the site that I've featured on the channel already are carbon fiber M-style mirror caps for both the E90 3 Series LCI and carbon fiber mirror caps for the F33 Series, 4 Series, and 2 Series. I also have those mirror caps available in gloss black also if you want a cheaper option. You don't want to spend that much for carbon fiber. I also have carbon fiber splitters for the E90 LCI M Sport front bumper. I have carbon fiber front fangs for the BMW F33 Series M Sport front bumper. I also have LED sequential turn signals for the E90 3 Series. They fit all E90, so E90, E91, E92, and E93 3 Series. I have those available in smoked and clear. I also offer a set of smoked sequential turn signals for the F Series BMWs also. I did a video on that. And I have a bunch of other little accessories that you can find on the website at inline6auto.com. As I mentioned, I will leave a link down in the description if you guys want to check out everything that I mentioned and featured in this video. So that's it for the products that I wanted to show you guys in this video. Now I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about the store. So it has been about 3 months that I have been operating this store, and don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been doing everything myself. I have zero help. I've been literally doing everything because I kind of don't trust people to, you know, get everything done. I only trust myself. So that is why I'm just doing everything myself. And plus I haven't, you know, expanded the store that much. The store hasn't grown, you know, that much. Like I don't have that many customers where I need like a full, you know, set of employees to run the store. It's enough for me to handle on my own, which I like. So it's not like an overwhelming amount of, you know, orders that people are sending in. But yeah, it is going pretty well. I am slowly growing. I am slowly adding more products. Right now it may seem like I don't have that many products, but it's just because I literally just started and I invested my own money into the store. So I didn't have that much money to just add like all sorts of products for a bunch of different models. It's going to be a slow process. As the business grows, I will add more and more products for, you know, 3 Series pre-LCI, since I don't have that many of that. Also the F32 4 Series or F22 2 Series. Maybe for the M cars and stuff like that. Maybe for the G Series BMWs. Maybe for the 5 Series. But yeah, it's just going to take quite a bit of time to expand and get that far in the products that I want to provide, because I do want to provide as many products as I can for all sorts of BMWs. But like I said, I'm doing everything by myself with my own money. So it is going to take some time, but I can definitely get there with your guys' support. If you guys buy anything from my store, watch my videos, it definitely helps me get there. So if you do end up buying anything from my store, I just want to say thank you. Your support is 100% appreciated. It means everything. It is awesome that that you guys trust me with, you know, products and parts. I try my best, like I said, to only offer, you know, good, high quality products. I will never offer anything that has bad fitment or bad quality or anything, because I know how annoying it is, because I was once, you know, a customer looking for products online and you just really never know what you're getting. So I do my best to get rid of all that stress and worry. You can be 100% that you're getting a good product. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it, I think, for this video. I just, like I said, wanted to give you guys an update and talk about the store a bit, since I haven't really made a video about it. Like I said, if you guys want more like live updates on the store and when, you know, products that were sold out are back in stock, and just anything relating to the store, follow my Instagram at inline6auto. Also, if you guys want to check out the products directly, I'll leave a link, like I said, at inline6auto.com in the description down below. So yeah guys, if you guys have any, you know, comments or questions or anything relating to the store, about products, fitment, or anything, feel free to DM me there on Instagram also, or comment down below on this video. And just overall anything, I like your guys' feedback and opinions and all that and all this stuff. I'm not saying your guys' feedback will change my opinion, but I still like hearing it as an idea, anything. Since I can't think of everything, multiple minds are better than just one single mind. So I got a few mods coming for the F30, for those of you who are following that build. And more products coming, like I said, for the store that are going to be available. So look out for those, follow the Instagram for updates. But anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And subscribe for more content like this to follow my F30 build and E90 build. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.